Hi everyone. So welcome to our Breathwork Challenge for 2025 and thank you for joining me. So just a quick briefing on what we'll be doing. So the idea of this is really to help you get to a point where you can consciously breathe on a daily basis so that breathwork becomes a ritual. When breathwork becomes a ritual, so we're doing it daily, a bit like brushing the teeth, then this is when we start to see amazing things happen. I like to say this is when we see the magic happen, and it really is. So to start with, just really want to get you all practicing and also practicing listening to people breathing as well. So really, as from today, just notice when you're in someone's presence, keep breathing yourself, nice and slowly, but just notice how they're breathing. And you'll start to see different patterns. People, when they're rushing around or stressed or trying to do 10 things, then you'll notice that they're breathing here, and sometimes the chest's moving like that. Now, we can't sustain that for long, so we want to start breathing from the belly. Some of you will have already done breathwork, so just ignore this part if you have. But what we're going to do is get you to breathe into your belly, not in this part of the chest. So if you want to place your hands on your belly, and let's take a nice slow breath in through the nose. So we want to be breathing in and out through the nose the majority of our life. Now, when we're consciously breathing through the mouth, that's different, but we don't want to be breathing through the mouth on a daily basis. So hands on the belly, and just really sit for a moment. Just let your breath be normal. You don't have to take any big breaths in or any slow breaths. Just notice how you're actually breathing to start with. So this really is our first challenge, if you like. It's just to stop, pause, close your eyes, and just notice. Notice how you're breathing. You might notice that you take a big breath or a big sigh now and again. You might notice that you're breathing up here. If you are, just let that be for a moment. Just keep noticing it. You might notice that you're already breathing into your belly. Good. And I want you to do this daily now for at least a minute. So the best time to do that is when you hop out of bed in the morning. So just lay and notice how you're actually breathing. This is really helping you to start to get in touch with your own breath. When we get in touch with our own breath, it's a little bit like coming home. You get those feelings of coming home. And if you've ever experienced those feelings, then you'll understand totally what I mean. It's just a beautiful feeling. So that's the first part of your challenge for day one, but the second part of your challenge for day one, I do want you to actually start to breathe slowly as well. So again, placing your hands on your belly, you can place one on your heart as well if you like. But let's actually stick to hands on the belly. And gently close your eyes. And just take a nice slow breath in through the nose. And then back out through the nose. And again, in through the nose. And out. So your challenge today is just to do at least 10 slow breaths after you've done a minute of just listening to your breath. So 10 really slow breaths. Now this might sound really easy, guys. However, even just by doing this on a daily basis, you will start to notice a difference in your general health and your general feelings, your emotions. You know, you just start to feel better in yourself. But you've got to put the effort in, you've got to put the work in. So do it at least 10 rounds into your hand, just breathing slowly, in and out through the nose. Really simply, we're not doing anything fancy, we're just noticing the breath and then starting to breathe slowly in and out through the nose. Now if you are one of these that you can feel that you're breathing purely in the chest, every time you breathe in your nose it's only up here, so you're feeling your chest go, start to try and breathe into the hand that's on your belly. So your belly will feel like it goes out like a Buddha. You'll start to feel everything expanding, and that's good. Don't worry about how you look. So again, just a reminder, hands on the belly. Nice slow breath in and nice slow breath out. Let's do it together again. Nice slow breath in. And nice slow breath out. Good, well done. Mahalo, thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for our second challenge.